Hi Doonistas, it's me the Pecan Tan Beauty and welcome to my channel. Or as always, I welcome you back to my channel. So today's video guys is going to be very exciting for me. I received this package yesterday and I have been holding off all day to be able to open up this box. So let me give you just a little bit of background behind this unboxing. So a few months ago, I'd say maybe it may have been like before Christmas, sometime in that area, I saw a bag that immediately grabbed my attention that posted on eBay. So at the time, the bids were pretty high up there, and I knew I wanted the bag, but I was only willing to go so high. So I watched it for a couple days and I watched the bids kind of stay stagnant for a while. And of course, on the day of the ending of the bid, everybody sits on the edge of their chair and wait to see if they're going to win. So at the very last minute, I chimed in, I put in a couple of bids, and the bids kept going up. And I'm thinking, like, I really want this bag because it has become one of my very favorite styles. So I put in one last bid with 1 second left, and then I got the message that says I've been outbid, and I was so bummed. So moving forward, about 3 weeks later, I saw a post in one of the Facebook groups on another bag, but then I saw this particular bag in the background on the shelf. So I immediately reached out and, jokingly I said, so it was you that stole that bag from me at the last minute. I congratulated her for being able to add that beautiful bag to her collection. Not only beautiful, I'm going to say a one-of-a-kind bag to her collection. So again, I do own several bags in this particular style, but not in this particular color. So then, you guys, I later discovered that this is a sample bag. And again, I'm going to say one-of-a-kind sample bag because I have never seen this bag in this color. The style, yes, but the color, no. So anyway, about 3 weeks ago, she reached out to me and she says, hey, I'm moving. I'm doing some reorganizing and some destashing. So I know that you were interested and you were bidding on this bag, and I want to give you first dibs and offer it to you. So I asked for some pictures because I couldn't remember exactly, the condition of the bag or anything like that. So she took photos on the outside, inside lighting. So about a day later, I told her, absolutely, I am interested in the bag. And that's all she wrote, you guys. So now she is finally here. So let's see what I have. You have no clue how excited I am about this bag. So it wasn't supposed to get here till Monday, and when I got notification a day or so ago saying that it was on its way and I checked the tracking and saw where it was, I was excited. So I had to get a little bit clever this time because a lot of you have figured out that the color of the bag normally matches something that I'm wearing, or my nail polish normally kind of gives it away. But not this time, guys. I tried to disguise it a little bit. I mean, there is still a giveaway part of it because of my dress, but I didn't make it as obvious this time. So let's see, you guys. I am so excited. I am so excited. All right, so Let's see. Are you guys excited? Are you excited? Okay, you guys, I am so excited. So let's see how I can do this so you can see all the excitement. And I wasn't expecting anything less because this person is a Dooneyista. I think she carries other brands as well, but I think Dooney and Bourke is her #1. So here is how she was packed. Very, very nice. And she has this nice paper. All right, you guys. I can reuse this paper to stuff the bag. Oh my gosh, you guys. Okay, so here she is. She has it all packed in plastic just in case there is rain. All right, guys. Oh my gosh, I am so excited. All right, are you ready? Oh my gosh, you can probably see through the paper what color it is. And then she even put it in a nice little, the real dust bag. Oh, oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, you guys. Oh my gosh, you guys, look at this. So this is the Dooney and Bourke Florentine leather zip flap fold over in the color, you guessed it, Kelly green. You guys, I have not seen this bag in this color. So let's just look over her. It is a pre-owned bag, but she says that it was nearly new, in new condition. And she took very good pictures, as you can see. Absolutely perfect. Look at this, you guys. Oh my God. Oh my gosh. Here is the back. Absolutely beautiful. I did ask her, was there any resin that had started to come off of the strap? And she sent me pictures and she said no. And from what I am seeing, there is no issues. This is absolutely perfect. Absolutely perfect, guys. Okay, so this is a sample bag, as I mentioned before. And here is where it says sample, not for resale. And it does have the Dooney and Bourke information here. Wow, guys. So again, it is a sample bag, and for those of you who are not familiar with sample bags, a sample bag is a bag or accessory that is just as it sounds. It's a sample. The company is testing out different styles, different colors, different textures, different setups. So this bag does not have any pockets at all, and that is expected of a sample bag. You guys, this is absolutely perfect. There are no stains at all. Absolutely clean. And then the suede here up top is intact. You can tell that the bag was very, very well taken care of, because normally you can tell by the suede. There are no stains or anything. There are no smells. Absolutely perfect. She even put some stuffing in the pockets. The pocket is perfect. More stuffing. Absolutely perfect. Wow, you guys, I am just overwhelmed. Kelly green has become one of my very, very favorite colors. It is a beautiful, beautiful neutral. And you guys, this bag is as smooth as it gets. So let's just check out the back pocket. Absolutely clean as a whistle. And this bag is called the Zip Flap Fold Over because it has this little secret compartment here on the flap where you can zip it open, and it has a large mouth here that goes all the way down to the bottom of the bag. And as you can see, intact, no stains, no spots, no dirt, no grime. You guys, absolutely beautiful. Oh my gosh, you guys, wow. Wow, this bag is perfect. Absolutely perfect. And as you can see, it goes with the dress that I am wearing today. So I will be pulling this baby out. And also what I love about this bag is the beautiful red zipper tape. I think it is a beautiful complement to this Kelly green. So you guys, I don't know if you've ever seen Kelly green in person, but it is an absolutely stunning color. And I'm not sure if the camera is picking up on the true color of this bag. So this is one of the bags that has the 3-part strap where you can take it off and use it as a short shoulder. And then it comes off like that. And then here is the other part here. And then you have your middle section that you can store on the inside of the bag. So when you get ready to pull it out, you can just pull it out, and we're left with this. And then I can just attach it here. I have various settings that I could use. And here you have it as a short shoulder. Oh my gosh, you guys, you have no clue how excited I am. And hear that beautiful leather. Absolutely love it. Oh my gosh, you guys. So anyway, guys, I hope that you enjoyed this very special unboxing to me. I am so excited to be able to add this bag to my collection, and I am just so grateful to the seller of this bag who gave me the opportunity to be able to add this bag to my collection as I had originally wished. So you know who you are. Thank you so much for your kindness and for a very smooth transaction. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye guys. she is being carried crossbody. I don't normally do crossbody, but if you wanted that option, it is very, very comfortable, not bulky. Absolutely beautiful bag, you guys. I love it. And so here she is being carried by the shoulder. Again, very comfortable. Fits nice and cozy right here by the hip. And there are several adjustments that you can adjust it to your body height and your body size. So very, very comfortable. Okay, so here she is being carried as a short shoulder. Still very comfortable. I have it on the very last setting, so it can still be adjusted to fit a little lower up under the arm. Still not bulky. Passes the elbow test on the setting that I have here. So I hope that these mod shots help you be able to decide if this is a style of handbag that you'd be interested in. This bag is discontinued. This style is discontinued, but I have seen it on the secondhand market in other colors if you so happen to see it.